Hey, it's Dan. I just pulled into the neighborhood. Want to see if you're ready.
Yep, I'm all ready to go.
Like you're actually ready.
Yeah, dude.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm good.
I don't want to wait around for 4 hours again. Hey,
No, relax. I got it. Everything's fine. I'll be ready as soon as you pull up.
But I'll be there in a minute.
Okay. See you then.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, we'll see.
Does this garbage pile represent all the items you need for the racetrack?
Sir, yes, sir.
Where's your race vehicle?
In the trailer, sir.
Exactly. It is loaded up and ready for transport, just like this pile of garbage should be.
Sir, yes, sir.
Get your stuff in the motorhome.
Yes, sir. It's a lot more intense than last time. Sir, permission to speak, sir.
Granted.
Can I take a break?
No.
Sir, yes, sir.
Smooth.
Smooth. Yes, sir. This weekend's gonna be weird.
Are you tired of messing with expensive and clumsy tuning software that doesn't seem to work? Is throttle tuning not giving you the extra horsepower that you need? Do you wish there was a simple and effective way to get the most power out of your bike without expensive tools?
I can't figure it out. How can I go faster?
Now you can.
That's right. Now you can hear your motor's performance in any situation. The Now You canister pierces the distractions to help you determine cam and valve timing, lack of piston clearance, even your air-fuel mixture. There's no cables, there's no software, there's no laptop required. The Now You canister is distinctly designed out of economically sourced steel, painfully welded seams, and a custom gramophone. The Now You canister is designed for the throttle tuner in all of us.
This can be yours for 3 easy payments of only $29.95. Call 1-800-394-6618 and enjoy a 30-day money-back guarantee. Send check or mail order to Bootleg Racing, P.O. Box 030785, Reno, California 93711. Newark, New Jersey, the California residents please add sales tax.
The Now You canister. The future of motorsports.
The taste is gonna move ya.
This is why I want to get here first. Why are we here?
I think from Well, first of all, coming out of 2, the rear spun out, and
You're trying really hard to high side.
pretty much.
You're making a lot of attempts.
And there's the lap before that, it gave me a little bit of the same thing. So I made a mental check note of, okay, don't accelerate at that point of the corner because the rear slid a little bit. So I waited longer and got on the gas later, and then it just went whoop, and then bucked me out. I mean, my camera's even crooked sideways, so I think I hit the camera. But
So when you said you made a mental note and you went back the second lap,
yeah.
did you get on the gas sooner, later, softer, different line? Or what did you change?
I think the problem was I waited to get on the gas later because I thought I was accelerating on that messed up part of the track. But after analyzing it, I think it was don't break grandma's neck. I think I was too aggressive on the throttle, too quick with the bike leaned over too far. Because I followed you and I saw and heard how quick you were getting on the gas, so I said, oh, I could do that too then.
But you did it from out there.
Yeah.
Because you're actually on you're still turning when I got taking that inner line, you're more upright.
That's the difference.
Do you ultimately think that you did wait a little longer to get on the gas because of the lap before?
Yes.
But to make up for it, you got on the gas harder.
Yes.
Which equates to what I saw, and I'm just curious to see what we see on video. It was actually pretty far on the exit.
Yeah.
And all of a sudden, like, there's Kevin again. I see his ass, his legs, his thighs, his heels. Yep, there's all of Kevin, just like last time. You stay on more than 8 seconds, so this isn't cowboy though. You gotta.
I made the note. I thought of it too as it was happening and sliding. I just said, here we go. Like it's so funny how much time you have to think when the bike is crashing underneath you. Because I was thinking, like, at this point. It's happened so many times on this in 3 months. I'm just like, here we go again. Just hold on to the bars and it'll fix itself. I was like, thankfully it did.
And I saw a difference because generally by the time you hit, your legs come in, your heels go up. This time you landed and you wiggled extra long. And then the feet slowly came up. I'm like, okay, I think you might be hurt from that.
Yeah, it was hurt. I don't know what hit, but my left leg, I can't put any weight on it right now.
Okay, I just wanted your immediate view, perception of what you saw.
Yeah, I tried to make a change and I didn't make one change.
Once again, you didn't crash it.
Nope, not yet. Fuck.
soon, so go down there. You gonna take care of that real quick?
What?
You gonna take care of this thing real quick before we go out?
Yeah. I need to.
What do you? You have the wrong glove. This is. Let me see this. This is your right hand.
Wait. What?
This is the right hand glove. Hold on. Let me see this thing. It'll help you. Hold.
No.
Go ahead and put that on. Let me make sure I get you a left. Okay.
Still not. I need the right side.
Well, right now,
So wait,
I just give you these are lefts. I kind of saw this coming, so I separated.
Okay.
This is a left hand.
Right.
Because you just have to be able to tell which hands are which.
Got it.
The one you had was actually a right. So
There we go.
I'll mark the rest of these too, so you know which ones are which. So these are going to be right hands.
Okay. That's the right pile?
Yes, and then the other one I'll mark so that you don't get confused.
Okay. Got it. Thanks.
But no, we will make sure that yours are marked, and I will keep you marked.
Okay. Thank you.
Because it'll save on time, and just I know it gets frustrating when you're trying to figure out what hand to put a glove on.
I'm going to keep these.
Do you need me to even mark your race gloves?
Probably wouldn't help.
These fantastic Chinese rotors right here, these super bike wave rotor Galfer wannabe Chinkadero things from China, they weren't straight from the factory, so we're pulling off rotors, wheel real quick, and then rotors, so we can put on some borrowed rotors from Team XS Racing. Thanks, guys.
Why is Kevin not doing anything?
Kevin is learning. At least he was supposed to be learning, and then he grabbed the camera, because Kevin doesn't know how to work on anything. He just breaks everything.
Yeah.
It's true.
Now that was fucking racing.
Now you can fix it.
Alright, hold on. I wasn't even recording. Yeah.
All the small things. This doesn't have a fucking problem.
I like it. No, it's a prototype.
Like to be on the track. Mom?
No,
That's a real thing.
are you
fucking with us?
No, this gives you the exact sound of your own bike coming through. Here.